Hey guys, what is up? It's Angelic and I'm here to show you guys how to make arepas. So the ingredients I'm gonna use is water. We're gonna use some sea salt and pre-cooked white cornmeal. And I'm also gonna use some ham and cheese to put inside when it's ready. First, we're going to grab the arepa pan and we're going to put it in here. And now, some water. We're gonna need more water. Now we are going to put salt. We are going to mix it all with your hands. You are trying to achieve a type of Play-Doh texture. So now you're going to grab about this much and you're going to round it up, flatten. And you got yourself one arepa. So in this part, you're gonna need some parental supervision. What you're gonna wanna do is grab your stove, light it, and put it to medium. Let that heat up a bit, and then you could put some butter. Now we're going to grab the butter and put it all around the pan. I'm going to grab my arepa, and I'm going to place it right on the pan. And we're going to wait until you can see on the sides that it is golden. Or you could grab a spatula and flip it. It's about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so now we are going to flip it and see how it is doing. That is great. And so now we are going to leave it here for 3 minutes since it already cooked on the other side. Let's see if it's good. Woo! Perfect, actually. All right, so we're going to grab a plate and we are going to place it on the plate. Perfect. Make sure that when you take out the arepa, you turn off the stove. All right guys, so now that the arepa is cooked, we are going to grab a knife. Make sure to have supervision with this also. And we're going to cut through the center like this. Make someone do this for you. Don't do this yourself. We are cutting it through the middle so we can put some ham and cheese or chicken or meat, or you could literally put anything in an arepa. I'm gonna eat a bite, okay? Are you ready? I'm set for life. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe down below. Click one of these videos. And I just released a new show called Angelic in LA, so make sure to go watch that. I love you.